I take my laser gun and I go pew pew pew!
TechNiaMa.
Okay, hello, welcome to TechNiaMa, and this is our first episode in 2019.
Not trying to be racist, but in 2 days is Chinese New Year lah.
No, and this is made from the animal that is supposed to be our lucky charm this year.
Lucky charm.
Some flights, in-flight magazine have banned the word that makes this.
Yeah. Well, anyway.
It's cock. Okay?
I don't know, is that word threatening to anyone? It's like when you hear it, you feel like, oh, my head will explode or things like that. Well, apparently, in this world, we have a lot of people who have very weak faith lah. So if they cannot process the word, sorry, don't go out lah.
Right? I wouldn't say it's weak faith lah. I think it's the will is strong, but the body is weak.
Wow. Okay, wow. But this has nothing to do with what we're going to talk about in this episode.
It has everything to do about what we're going to talk about this episode, because
really?
It's our willpower, what we want for this year.
So, have you discovered anything recently?
As people may know, I have lost my desire to buy things.
Oh yeah, but your delivery guy keeps coming every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, so much about like not having desire to buy anything.
It's like I have lost my desire for sex, but every day still.
Okay, I don't want to know the detail.
TMI.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so I wanted to say food.
Yeah, like this one.
Yeah.
This is called Hokkien. It's called Pak Gua. Okay.
Gua is dry.
Oh,
Like as in very dry life, like our life. No, not my life. Very dry.
I don't know Hokkien, so this is the first time that I actually know Gua means dry.
Yes.
But it's not very dry. It's very moist, oily. And
It depends on how you define the word moist lah.
Jeff recently found something which is like going to be different, hopefully, on our phone. When we check our phone, I changed my phone recently. So, you notice that all our phone now is going full screen, right?
Yep.
And they still cannot find a way to hide the camera. You know, like iPhone,
Because
like all the phones.
Physics. You cannot have something blocking the camera. That's physics.
They cannot design a screen, LCD screen, which is transparent.
You design an LCD screen that is transparent, you will not be allowing more light
No,
to
because
go
you
in.
need the backing illumination.
Yeah.
Backlight or more? You need a
Yeah.
backlight.
Yeah, you need the backlight layer for LCD.
Yes.
OLED will be different.
So that means for the eternity it's impossible to have a camera behind LCD screen, right?
Impossible.
Impossible. So it's beyond physics. It's like we cannot go beyond traveling faster than light kind of thing.
It's like you cannot put a piece of wood in front of your eye and still see through it.
Superman can or...
You are Superman, no?
So what constitute to that superpower?
Oh, X-ray. That means we design a kind of camera that has X-ray capability that can shine through, look through the LCD panel and see what's in front of it.
So if I want my friends to get cancer, I'll take that picture every day.
That's the drawback lah.
Okay.
But I guess it depends on where you put your phone. If you put your phone at the wrong spot, then you
So
might
cannot
be
put in
the
your
one.
pocket you get like prostate cancer or something.
No, you won't get prostate cancer. It's vasectomy.
You know, you can, if you put it here, you get breast
You won't get children anymore. Oh, that one same lah. Chest cancer. Most women don't have pocket in the chest.
Men also can get chest cancer, man.
Chest cancer, not breast cancer.
Maybe if we go deep enough, become lung cancer.
That's...
Hey, why are we talking about all this cancer thing? It's Chinese New Year.
Oh, okay.
It's a reminder to...
Yes, because in adversity we find hope.
Okay.
Watch too many
But
movies.
what have you found about this new trend of phone design? About not having a notch and all that?
Not having a notch means cutting a hole up.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Like
This-
imagine you have a screen, like a full gorgeous full screen.
Okay, let me see.
I recently changed my phone also.
So that means if you don't want the notch at the top,
And you still want the camera in
you
front.
still want the camera in front, so they will darken one part of the screen.
No, you just drill a hole.
They drill a hole,
Yeah.
and then you get this permanent hole in your screen.
Yes.
When you are watching movie, you see it.
You see a big
dot.
hole.
You just tell yourself it's a dead pixel.
It's a huge dead pixel.
It's
anyway.
a group of dead pixels.
You have dead pixels that takes photo.
Ah,
Does it make you feel a little bit better?
yeah, feel better.
Well,
yeah.
name it a dark hole that takes light into the
Yeah.
hole and make a picture out of it.
Wow, this is
Wow, very profound.
this is
Yes.
becoming very.
So will you get that phone? If
No.
no. Okay.
I hate the recent phone like trends in the
Yeah, there's another one that like mechanically comes out.
yeah.
Oh, that one really
Alright.
king, man. That one, wow.
Oh, that's like going back to 1990s like that. Long.
No, it's like submarine.
Back in 1990s, this is
Oh, yeah.
cool. Ah.
Yeah, like,
Uh-huh. Yeah,
It
we
is
used to
still
have this
cool in
Nokia phone that can
yeah,
slide and all that.
slide.
Right?
like Inspector Gadget, the cool Inspector Gadget, cool.
Okay.
Ah.
But still, me is making that phone, right? Like you
Who
can
made
actually
that phone?
physically slide the thing.
Me is making the one that you can slide manually.
So when
Slide the camera manually.
It's like two pieces of things that you can like slide.
Oh, so
to reveal the
like banana
camera.
phone like that. Instead of the keyboard, the camera comes
How
out.
far can it
yes.
slide? Like only slide a little bit.
A little bit lah.
Oh, not like slide. You get another keyboard and type.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, okay.
That would be super pricey.
Really asking for a lot, I think.
Yeah, and you also told me about this phone that doesn't have any camera in front, but when you take selfie, you need to flip it.
Yeah.
Like
It's also done by a
Chinese company.
Chinese company.
which brand is that?
Nubia something?
Huh? I never heard of it.
Oh no, it's called Newbie. Ah,
Nubia.
Oh, Newbie.
the Newbie phone. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Okay, in case you don't know, Newbie is Chinese word for the
Gang Ho?
No lah.
No.
The female sex organ of a cow.
I actually thought it means incredible sex organ.
No, I always thought
Because
it's Gang Ho.
Oh yeah, it also means incredible sex organ lah. Yeah.
Okay, so it's actually a very bad word lah.
It is, yeah. People just like using it.
Oh,
But a lot of people like Wahlao is my sex organ.
Liao is sex organ, man.
No, it came from a Hokkien word called Wahlan. But
Then how come?
when you say very quickly, it became Wahlao. And then now
No,
Wahlao.
Wahlan.
Yeah, my sex organ.
I know that one. I understand Wahlan, but Wahlao, how it doesn't click.
Come on lah, when you talk very fast, become Wahlao Wahlan Wahlao
Wahlan and Wahlao is a different.
If that guy pronounced very accurately, it's Wahlan.
Okay, so it's probably the guy who started is a tone deaf or something like that.
No, actually it's a group of Singaporean back in 1970s. Yeah, we were not allowed to say those words when we were in Singapore lah.
In school.
In school.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was from a very strict.
I always thought it was a
Christian
very
school.
innocent word like Wahlan and Wahlan.
Yeah, quite innocent lah. My sex organ, it can be very innocent lah. No.
It's a humble brag.
Yeah.
Humble brag.
Yeah.
Okay, so me come up with a manually sliding camera. That is like extremely weird, right?
But that wouldn't be on his wish list, right? He wouldn't want a Mi Cam phone,
yeah, so
right? You are using a.
Pixel.
He's a.
wow, very
I know.
loyal supporter of
No,
Google, is it?
Not loyal supporter. I just jump ship from.
Yeah, he's a loyal supporter of
Sony.
Sony.
Why do you want to leave that?
Because Sony is not bringing in new phones. As simple as that.
Okay.
They don't want my money.
So
I
your
kept
wish
throwing
list.
money to the
So your
screen,
wish
but
list is a
nothing
Sony
is
phone,
happening.
So your wish is
but it's something
Sony
you will
coming
never
out?
get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the one that got away.
Too bad for you, lah.
No, lah,
So are you
it's-
happy with your Pixel 3?
Not really.
It is
I
always
miss my old
It is
Xperia.
always the one that got away that is the best. right? So
Agree wholeheartedly.
yeah. So the best phone is the one that you cannot own.
I take my laser gun and I go pew pew pew.
TechNiaMa.